Most people don't regret what they did. They regret what they never started. After speaking to hundreds of people over 50, the one truth showing up again and again. The biggest regrets are rarely about money, career or status. They are about time and courage and waiting too long. People regret staying in situations that make them unhappy. They regret not taking care of their health earlier. They regret working too much and living too little. They regret not spending more time with people who matters most. But here's the most powerful part. These regrets are not warnings of the past. They are instructions for today. Because the moment you become aware of a regret, you still have time to change your direction. You can call that friend. You can start the exercise. You can take the trip. You can begin again. You are not too old. You are not too late. And your story is not finished yet. Watch the full episode on thrive60.com.